Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Friday, March 1st, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video and show you that I got paid yet again from GreatLife Worldwide and how easy it is to get your pay over to your checking account. All right, so you can see here, I started back on February 1st. So I've been in with this company for a month now. And today I got paid right here for this past week. March 1st, you can see I earned $64. And I'm just going to show you over here in my email. I received this email at 4:53 p.m. It says you got paid $64. And I'm going to show you how simple this is to access your funds. All right, so I have this set up for next day bank deposit. And you can see here, all I do is click on transfer. Now, I think there are many different ways that you can do this. It just depends on what country you're in. You know, you can set this up. I know they pay with Bitcoin and they do wire transfers, and there's all kinds of different ways you can get paid. I don't know if I can do it this way or not. Let me just see. So this is the services that they have available. Now I have it set up just to go to direct deposit into my checking account. All right, so here are the different ways that you can get paid. There's instant pay, next day bank deposit. This is what I do. The fee's only $1, folks. Real-time payment, same day bank deposit. I guess I could do this same day and pay $2. Zelle, Bankwire, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a physical debit card, a virtual debit card. And of course, you know, the Bankwire is 23 bucks. But if you have a checking account and you're in the United States, you can pay $1 for the next day or pay $2 for the same day. So I'm just going to show you what you do. You just click on home, click transfer. All right, I'm going to transfer all this. All right, we'll do the next day bank. It has all of my bank routing number and my account number set up already. And then I just click next down here. I agree to pay the $1 fee. I click on the finish button. And your payment has been processed. That's how easy this is, folks. All right, you can see my history over here. You know, next day, $1 fee. And you could let this go all month long, and at the end of the month you could just do one withdrawal and pay $1. So I just wanted to show you that Mass Pay, I've had no issues with Mass Pay. I've had no issues getting paid with GreatLife Worldwide. This is super easy to use. When you come in here and set up your account, well, what happens is once you earn money in GreatLife Worldwide, they're going to send you an email saying that you just got paid, and it'll be an email that takes you over here so you can set up your account. All I did was put in my name, my address, my social security number. I chose the way I wanted to get paid through my bank, so I entered my bank's routing number and my checking account number, and that was it. And I haven't had any issues so far. And you can see here, that was the 5th time I've got paid. 1, 2, 3, 4, and today was the 5th time. So it's a really good payment processing company. I have had no issues, and GreatLife Worldwide has been paying on time every single week. Okay, and this doesn't include our monthly matrix pay or the coded product bonuses or anything like that. This is just from fast start commissions that I've made every week since I've joined this company. All right, so to learn more about GreatLife Worldwide, go to joinruss.com. It'll take you over to my capture page that looks like this. We have a 4-minute and 51-second video here that you can check out. I highly recommend you watch the entire video. Then you simply enter your first and last name over here and a valid email address and click take the free tour. There's no better time to join than now, folks. We're just getting started. The momentum hasn't even kicked in yet. We haven't even really started doing anything with this, all right? We are literally just getting started. Like I said in my last video, we are in the basement's basement. So it's a perfect time to join this. Our upline is stacked. We have a great team here, and we're just going to build this out over the next 6 to 12 months and change a lot of lives, okay? And you can see here, $20 qualifies you to earn through 12 levels deep without enrolling anyone. So, and then if you're new to network marketing and you've never done anything like this, don't worry. We have an awesome team. You're going to get plugged into our Facebook groups. We have trainings in there. We're going to show you how to come in here and share this with other people so that you can start building your own team. You will receive spillover from our team because, we're just, like I said, we're going to build this matrix out in the next 6 to 12 months. And then I also have other tools that I use with this company. All right, so if you go down, all the links are down below this video, but I use multiple income funnel. And if you go to watchmifvideo.com, watchmifvideo.com, it'll take you over here. You can plug into this system for only $49 a month. You can earn several different ways with this, all while building your GreatLife worldwide business. All right, I joined this past week, and I joined at the yearly membership, and I earned a $200 commission already just from this, and then I had another $98 commission from one of the traffic sources inside of this program. So you can make some really good money. It's just a really great addition, additional income streams to use while you're building GreatLife Worldwide. All right. And then on top of that, if you need leads, you can go to 100leadseveryday.com. It'll take you over to this video, and you can get 100 business seeking leads every single day for $1 a day. So you can join this for $30 a month. You get 100 fresh leads every single day that you can email every 24 hours within the system itself. And if you refer someone to this program, they'll give you an additional 100 bonus leads every day. So potentially you could come in here your first day, refer someone to the program, get 200 bonus, get 200 leads a day, and then you'd have 6,000 leads by the end of the month. All right, and that just adds up. Then you'd get another 200, another 200. So at the end of the year, you'd have 72,000 leads that you could email every 24 hours. All right, so these are some of the things I use. I also have business cards here. Joinruss.com. If you can get a short and simple domain name, like join your name, join your first and last name if it's available, whatever. Keep it really short. I just have my email address on here, and I have my name. That's another way to get people to take the tour. And then I use Facebook and YouTube. I have other videos on how I do all this. You can check those out. You can reach out to me if you have any questions. But basically, I just wanted to show you how easy MassPay is to use and to get your payments from GreatLife Worldwide. All right, so that's it for this video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.